Imagine a life where pain doesn't hold you back. The TENS unit by Vertex Ventures offers an innovative, wireless solution for managing pain and helping you stay active, whether it's sore muscles or nerve discomfort. This Vertex TENS device is here to help you feel better. The case displays a QR code. Scan it with your smartphone and you will be directed to our website to watch the video tutorial. The kit comes in a unique case which contains everything you need to treat your pain. The TENS unit, e-pad, a wireless Bluetooth remote, a user manual, USB-C cable, extra e-pad. Replacing the e-pad is easy. Pull the e-pad from the TENS unit and attach the new one back. Operating this fantastic device is very easy. Peel the plastic strip from the e-pad, locate the area where you have the pain, apply it over the skin. All you have to do now is turn it on the TENS unit. Then turn on the remote control. Select the pulse time, mode, and current intensity, and you're ready to start your session. The Vertex TENS unit uses gentle electrical pulses to stimulate nerves and muscles, easing pain and promoting circulation. The TENS unit can be placed in any area where you feel pain. Its lightweight design ensures it fits seamlessly into your day, whether at home, at work, or on the move. When your TENS session is over, turn off the TENS unit, remove the e-pad from the treated area, apply the plastic strip you set aside, and put all the components back into their designated case. This Vertex TENS device is FDA approved and is designed for everyday use. It empowers you to take control of your pain anytime, anywhere. Start living a pain-free life with this trusted solution.
Vertex Ventures. Recover smarter, not harder.